going to be doing my hair. I washed it already, and I'm going to be putting clip-ins in my hair. So I just kind of want to show you guys that process, how I do it. Right now my hair is freshly washed. I have a t-shirt on my head, just drying it out a little bit, but I'm probably going to spray it because I didn't, put lotion on everything, so it's probably a little bit drier than it should be. So I'm going to walk you guys through the whole process, and let's get into it. Hey guys, so this is me. I just wanted to tell you guys what I was doing. So basically I put some Cantu heat thermal protection spray on my hair, then I sectioned my hair into 4 parts and just blow dry it. And then after I was done blow drying, I put some silk ion drops on it, sectioned it into 4 again, and started to flat iron it. And that's pretty much it. That's all I do to blow dry and flat iron my hair before I add the clip-ins in. So this is just the process that you guys are watching right now. Let me explain. Okay, so guys, my hair is already flat ironed. So now I'm going to go get my clip-ins, and then we'll continue with what I have to tell you. So I'll be right back. So basically what I did is take shampoo and I just squeegee it down, just wash through a little warm water, make sure I get up at the top where the track is, and just rub the shampoo in there, rinse it out, and then I put conditioner on it. So I do it by like every couple of pieces. Like, I'm not sure how many pieces, this is a lot of hair, but I do it by every couple of pieces, and I just, after I shampoo it, I put conditioner on it, and then I sit it down. So I let the conditioner sit while I'm going through the rest of the hair, and then at the end I take all of the hair, rinse it out. It's been about, I want to say like 2-3 hours. So it's not all the way dry yet, but I'm gonna brush through it, hit it with a quick blow dry. One thing I would say about clip-ins is you don't want to blow dry it too much because it's human hair. Well, depending on clip-ins that you get, but this is human hair, so you want to treat it as human hair. You don't want to blow dry it excessively, and you don't want to flat iron it excessively, and you want to make sure it stays washed, and then it'll keep its texture. Now, one thing about this hair is I got it in this wavy texture, but I rarely ever wear it like this. The only time I really will wear it like this, because it doesn't really match my curls like that, is more of like a wavy, natural wavy kind of look. I just usually straighten it, and I got this texture on purpose because I like the way that wavy hair looks when it's straightened. It has like a certain look to it. Like the texture isn't like this, but it's more full, and that's how my hair is. So that's why I got this type of hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go through and brush out all those pieces of hair, and then I'm gonna just quickly just blow dry it, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so basically I took all of the clip-ins, brushed them out. I did it from tip to root, just like I would do my hair when I'm brushing it out. And then I made sure I brushed out each clip to make sure it'll be a seamless blow dry and seamless flat iron. So then after I was finished brushing it all out, I then added some Cantu thermal heat spray like I did to my hair, and then I blow dried it all together pretty much just until it's dry enough. Don't want to over dry it and don't want to dry it too little. So that's just basically what you guys are watching now. Just blow drying, making sure it's dry, and then I will separate it into little sections and then put it into my hair. Okay guys, so I finished blow drying the hair. As you can see, it looks fuller, it's more fluffy. So now I'm going to separate my hair, put it in, then I'm going to flat iron it. So with clip-ins, they always come with like different clip amounts, like clip sizes, I guess people would say. Like here's one that's just, this is one clip, this one's 3 clips, and then it's like, it ranges to like 2 to like 5, I think, and like 5 would be for the very middle of your head. So I usually start off with 2 in the back of my hair because the nape of your neck is not a wide width. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I took my hair out of the little butterfly, and I'm going to just part it. And since it's a lot of clips, I don't part like super high. I do like small parts, so then I can fit them, so then the hair is full. So then I use the butterfly clip back my hair, another one because I need the hair to be secure and up so I can fill out where my space is going to be. So this is about the section that I'll put the 2 clips on right here. So this is the 2 clip. It's these 2 clips with the barrettes. You flick it open like that. You want to hook it onto your hair where you made the part at. Press it down so it clips down. Brush through it, and then you'll just go through the whole straightening process. So I usually give it like 1 quick brush through. Clip it open like this. Behind my head. I fill out where the part is that I made. Hook it in and snap. Part. Hook it in. That's it. It looks like this. Then I'm gonna brush through it again. Wait for my flat iron to heat up. Should be like cold. Yeah, it's still kind of hot from the last time. So then you take a section of that hair, just like your regular hair, and see guys, this is what distracts me when I'm trying to do that. Okay. So take it and just run the flat iron through it. Just like your own hair, you don't want to give it too many runs, but you want to run it enough so that it is wet. I just kind of want to blend the clip in with my own hair. So just want to do it till it gets straight. You use your rat tail comb because it has thinner bristles, like not thinner, but the bristles are closer together, so then you can make sure the hair is fanned out when you straighten it as well. Flatten it, and then now I'll take my rat tail comb and just comb through. Also, this is another place where you'll see that the hair is starting to get more full. When you comb through it and hold it flat, it'll get fuller and fuller. So I usually go like 2, 2, 3. That'll get me to about right here. Then I want to do like 4, 5, 4, and then you want to just split like your 3s and your 2s. I've done the middle part. So you want to split like your 3s and your 2s like amongst this section, and then like your 1s you want to do closer to like right here, like where it's thinner piece, like sections of hair, like not as big sections of hair. So I'm going to show you guys that. So now guys, I'm just basically taking the sections of hair that I was telling you guys about when I was saying like 3, 2, whatever the numbers. That was like the amount of clips on the clip ends. Now I'm just adding it to my hair, making sure it's as close to my scalp as possible, and just flat iron each section, make sure that it's blending in. And that's all I'm really doing on this part, just getting it through my hair and then flat ironing it. That's all. Okay, hi guys. So this is the final product. Looks like this. So this is how it looks in the final. It's laying flat. You can't see the clips or anything. So yes, now I am finished my hair. This is 26-inch set of clip-ins and then a 28-inch set of clip-ins. So it's that long. I'm 5'10", so it's long. But yes, that is the final product.